Hi everyone, welcome to Tyme Wyse Global Industry Presentation. In this session, we will be introducing to you our automatic school bell system. When installed, this system will automatically ring the school bells at designated times during the school session, example, to indicate beginning of the session, recess times, change of classes, or end of session for the day. This eliminates the school administrator or teachers from manually switching on the bells, thus easing them from the burden of ringing the bells manually a number of times each day. Our automatic school bell system will undertake the ringing of the bells automatically for all the times programmed, every day of the week. Now let us take a look at the design structure of this bell timer. In this programmable bell timer model TW1001, the heart of the system is the electronic programmable timer. Using this component, the school bell ringing timetable is programmed. Next, we have the analog clock at the center so that the time can be seen from a distance, for monitoring purposes. Then, we have the override switch, which can act as emergency switch, or used for fire drills, or any other times whenever necessary. The execution of the design looks like this, for bell timer model TW1001. Let us take a look at the details for this model TW1001, its features and the specifications. Bell timer model TW1001 is designed to be user-friendly, with its setting and programming, and has fully automatic functions. It is easy to install with a plug-and-play design concept. Technical-wise, its specification includes 84 memory functions, for 24 hours and 7 days programming. Its pulse duration for bell ringing can be set from 1 second to 59 seconds. Setting and programming is using buttons on the front panel. With quartz time base, the accuracy is less than half a second per day. The timer has a reserve memory of 10 years. Last but not least is that the programmable timer component is from Germany, well known for their quality, advanced technology, and reliability. Now let us show you a demonstration of the bell timer. Here you see the bell timer is connected to the power point. When you open the timer cover, you see the programmable module on the left side, analog clock at the center, and the override switch to the right. The bell timer is connected to the first bell, and looped to the second bell. At designated time, the bell will ring automatically. So with the bell timer installed at your school, the bell will automatically ring according to your school timetable. No worry of the bells ringing too early or ringing later. Teachers and students are well coordinated in terms of time frame. With that, we have come to the end of our session. We hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us at Tyme Wyse Global Industry. We are more than pleased to assist you. Thank you very much.